You are not pretty, and that's okay because you don't have to be. There are moments that you are the most beautiful version of you, and there are moments that you are not. And of course, still, in everything you do, you are the most capable version of you. Life is just life, you know. It's full of people with their differences, their own strengths, skills, their own shine, and that's just life. But none of that takes away from your worth. None of that takes away from